Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the website Coach My Health. First of all, on this website you can find all information about health, longevity, life extension and what to eat properly. To start with your life, the best thing and the first thing to do is start with your health. Because if your health is not good, then everything else in your life will be not good. So, what you're doing actually with your health? First of all, you start with proper eating. The proper eating, it means eat like organic, grown food. After that, you need to do exercise. And after exercise, you need to do a meditation. Why all of this? Because our body consists of three parts. First part is obviously our body, and for our body we need to eat proper food. Second, you need the food for your brain. So it means that you need to do like some logically tasks through the day. And in the end, you need to do meditation, because this is our subtle body, which you need to sometimes, not always, but sometimes you need to give them proper food. And food is like really meditation. When you do all of these three things, then you will rise your energy. When you're rising your energy, what is going on? When you go to meeting some people, you'll be more energized. You'll be very confident, you'll be more charismatic. And every person wants to be around charismatic people. So, to start with everything, you start with your health. Because in the end you will have the better relationships, and we know if you have better relationships, your finances will be better. Why? Because when you see in everything regarding money or wealth is about your contacts, about your networks. So, in everything what you are doing through the jobs or through the entertainment or through like, I would say business-wise, you need to have a right psychology. You need to have like lots of energy. You need to be happy. You need to be confident. And to be confident, to be happy, how I said in the beginning, you need to have a proper health. So what I'm suggesting you, go through the website, read everything about health, about nutrition, about meditation, about mind, what is the proper food for mind, what is the proper food for your body, what is your proper food for spirit. So I hope you will enjoy going through our website, also that you will enjoy every product which we have on this website. You can see that we have products about like ultimate health, which is about energy, exercise, body, mind. Also we have like some books, 10 Steps to Perfect Health. I suggest you to start from that. Why? Because in 10 Steps from Perfect Health is literally what I'm doing every day. How I start to energize my body, how I eat properly, how I drink properly, which kind of drinks, which kind of water, which kind of teas, herbal teas for the day, and also what I'm doing like exercise-wise. Qigong, stretching, weight training. So everything is literally in these books, 10 Steps to Perfect Health. This is actually basis. After that, I suggest you to start to move to Coach My Health programs, which are Ultimate Wealth, Ultimate Health, Ultimate Exercises, Ultimate Mind. And in the end, if you need like one-on-one, you can call me. So that's it. I hope you will enjoy the website. Bye.